Video tutorial, how to start working on Edu platform. Number 1, click on course. The course will be divided in several sections. Each section will deal with a different topic. Each section will have different subsections, all connected to the main topic. Breadcrumbs will help you to know where you are, in case you get lost. Each subsection will have different units, which are a group of activities. In this case, the subsection TED Talk English Peña will have 7 units. The white window will show you the unit you're working on right now. On each side of the upper bar, you will find 2 arrows. Click on them to move to your next or previous unit. In case you get lost, if you place the mouse cursor on each window, the name of the unit you're working on will be shown. This will coincide with the name read on the breadcrumb. At the beginning of each unit, a summary of the activities to be done will be provided. When watching a video, you can activate subtitles by clicking here. When a unit is over, you will see this message to remind you to click on the next unit. Each activity will have on top the number of possible marks you can get. Once you finish the activity, click on Revisión Final or Revisar to send it. Important, you only have one chance, so think your answers carefully. Click on Mostrar Respuesta if you'd like to know the correct answers. Your score in the activity will be shown on top. To pass each activity, you will need a 70%. When doing a checkbox activity, you will have to check many possible answers, 3 in this case. All your answers count. Wrong answers will be deducted from your final mark. How to work with discussions. Number 1, click on Mostrar discusión. Number 2, read the question and then click on Add a post. Type your answer. Click on Añadir entrada. And remember to add a title to your answer. If you want to respond to somebody's post, click on Expandir discusión and write your comment.